How to verify Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to discuss about how can you verify Cash App. So in order to enhance Cash App security measures, you must verify your identity. You will need to undergo identity verification. If you exceed $1,000 in transactions within a 30-day period, surpass a total of $1,500 in transactions, request a Cash App card, engage in Bitcoin or the stock transactions, support an individual aged 13 to 17. During the identity verification process, you will be asked to provide the following details: your legal name, date of birth, last four digits of your SSN. In certain instances, Cash App might also require your full SSN, residential address, valid government issued photo ID, or proof of income or funding source. You can verify your identity and monitor your verification status within the Cash App. Access your profile icon on the top right corner of your Cash App home screen. Select Security and Privacy. Proceed to the Identity Verification section. If your identity is verified, it will display as verified. If you are not verified, choose Verify to proceed with the identity verification process. Rest assured, any information you provide is encrypted and securely transmitted to our servers. So this was all about how to verify Cash App. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.